Hello students, so let's start daily practice questions for prelims 2023. So the first question is choose a correct statement. Option A, harmful algal blooms and dead fish are the results of the process of eutrophication. Option B, due to eutrophication the aquatic ecosystem increases. Option C, eutrophication helps to decrease ocean acidification. Option D, eutrophication decreases the carbon dioxide in water bodies. So now what is actually eutrophication? So eutrophication is totally in a water body, totally green color substance will fill the upper surface, and that causes to increasing the carbon dioxide. So when the carbon dioxide increase, why carbon dioxide increase? Because lots of algae material, lots of bacteria grows there, and due to that, when that algae particles die, the carbon dioxide will be in that place only, in that water only, and due to that green color substance will cover the entire water body. So because of that the carbon dioxide increases, and that result in acidification. So due to that the fish also will not sustain. So option A is the correct answer. Coming to option B, the aquatic ecosystem decreases due to eutrophication. Option B is wrong. And option C, when coming to option C, why it is wrong? Because eutrophication helps to increase ocean acidification. Okay, why ocean acidification increase? Because when carbon dioxide and other harmful substances increase, then ocean acidification increases. So option D is wrong because eutrophication increases the carbon dioxide. So only option A is the correct one. Coming to the second one, which of the following statements are correct regarding bioremediation? So here first statement is it is a process that uses microorganisms, plants or microbial or plant enzymes to detoxify contaminants in the soil. Second option is it is also used to clean groundwater. Third sentence is it is also used to reduce environmental problems like oil spills. So let's see. Option A 1 only, B 2 and 3, C 1 3 and D all the above. So here bioremediation is the process which uses microorganisms, small plants and microbial or plant enzymes to clean the groundwater and reduce environmental problems like oil spills. Okay, all these statements are correct. So this is regarding the bioremediation. So all the above is the correct answer. Now coming to the third question, choose a correct answer regarding phytoremediation. So before we studied about bioremediation. In bioremediation they use microorganisms, algae and small plants to reduce groundwater pollution and also soil pollution. So here coming to this one, phytoremediation, option A, they use microorganisms and other enzymes to detoxify groundwater and soil. This is definitely not. Why? Because this is about bioremediation. Okay, now coming to the option B, the use of higher plants to detoxify groundwater and soil. Okay, let's come to option C. So it is the use of chemicals to detoxify groundwater and soil, and option D is none of the above. So here phytoremediation means option B is the correct answer. Okay, they use higher plants to detoxify groundwater and soil. So here when they use microorganisms or other enzymes to detoxify groundwater and soil, then that is regarded as bioremediation. And when they use higher plants to detoxify, that means to remove the pollution from groundwater and to remove the pollution from soil, they use higher plants, and this process is called phytoremediation. Okay, option B is the correct answer. Now coming to the fourth question, what is meant by gross primary production? Okay, so option A, it is the rate at which the radiant energy is stored by the process of photosynthesis in green plants. Option B, it is also known as total assimilation. Option C, it is also known as total photosynthesis. Option D, all the above. So here, for the fourth question, all the above, all these statements are correct. Option D is the correct answer. So gross primary production means this is the photosynthesis which occurs in plants. That is why it is called total photosynthesis, or it can also be measured by the rate at which the radiant energy is stored by the process of photosynthesis, and this is also known as total assimilation. Okay, option D is a correct answer. Coming to the fifth question, consider the following statements. So first statement is soil organic carbon is one part in the much larger global carbon cycle that involves the cycling of carbon through soil, vegetation, ocean, and atmosphere. Second statement, small increases of soil organic compounds over very large areas in agricultural and pastoral lands will significantly reduce atmospheric carbon dioxide. So which of the statements are correct? So here soil are organic compound. So soil organic compound involves the cycling of carbon through soil, vegetation, ocean and atmosphere. First statement is correct. And so if the agricultural, there is a study that if agricultural areas and pastoral lands increase, then there is a higher chance that the atmospheric carbon dioxide decreases. So both these statements are correct. So option C is the correct answer. Now coming to the fifth question, the measurement of air quality index is based on. So option A lead, option B sulfur dioxide, option C carbon monoxide, all the above. So all these are used for measuring air quality index. So all the above is correct. So generally there are 8 components which are used for measuring the air quality. So first is particulate matter less than 10 micrometer, that is PM10, and next is PM2.5, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, ozone, ammonia, lead. So these are the 8 components which are used to measure, sorry, these are 8 pollutants which are included in the measurement of air quality. Okay. So next is sixth question, which of the following are correct statements? So increase in carbon dioxide leads to ocean acidification. Next, increase in carbon dioxide leads to increase in pH levels in seawater. Option C, increase in carbon dioxide helps the coral reefs to produce their skeletons. So option D, all the above. So here only first statement is correct because increase in carbon dioxide leads to ocean acidification. Whereas come to here option B, increase in carbon dioxide leads to decrease in the pH levels in seawater. Okay. So when carbon dioxide is decreased, then pH levels increase. Okay. So next is increase in carbon dioxide helps to decrease the coral reef production. Okay. So only option A is the correct one. Seventh question, what are the factors which cause coral bleaching? So coral bleaching is something when the coral reefs get uh, change their color. So as a result they slowly die. Okay. So option A, increase in solar irradiance. Option B, increase sedimentation. Option C, exposed to oil spills and chemical spills, and option D, all the above. So here all the above is correct. So due to solar irradiation is nothing but due to heavy exposure to the solar light. So when the UV light or yes, when UV light is increased, when the when the sunlight is at high capacity, that means when UV radiation passes, then there will be a coral bleaching, and when sedimentation increases, and when oil spills and chemical spills are increased in those areas, then coral bleaching will start. So these are all the factors of coral bleaching. So option D is a correct answer. Now, coming to the next one, eighth question. Consider the statements. So, biogas is a type of biofuel that is naturally produced from the decomposition of organic waste. Second is biogas produces deep blue flame due to the high content of methane. So, regarding biogas, both these statements are correct. So, it is naturally produced due to the decomposition of organic matter. And when for faster decomposition, the humidity should be at least 75%. Okay, then only the decomposition takes place faster, and it will be easy to break down into smaller particles. And next is the presence of deep blue. When this biogas is lit, there blue deep blue flame will occur. That deep blue flame is because due to the high content of methane. Even carbon dioxide is also produced in this biogas. Okay, so both these statements are correct. So option C is a correct answer. Ninth question. Consider the following statements regarding advantages of organic farming. So first is it reduces human and animal health hazards. Second is it helps to keep agricultural production at sustainable level. Third is it improves soil health and reduces cost of agricultural production. Fourth statement is it improves soil in chemical properties. So all these statements are correct regarding organic farming. So all these statements are correct. So option A is a correct answer. Now coming to the 10th question, choose a statements regarding greenhouse gases. So greenhouse gases include water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, ozone. Second statement is it also includes some artificial chemicals like chlorofluorocarbons. Third statement, carbon dioxide and nitrogen oxide is a direct greenhouse gases. Fourth statement is methane is an indirect greenhouse gas. So here, yes, greenhouse gases include water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, ozone. First statement is correct. Coming to the second statement, it also, see, remember, water vapor and ozone are also a part of greenhouse gases. And next, second statement, it also includes some artificial chemicals like chlorofluorocarbons. So yes, this will also be coming under the greenhouse gases. Now coming to the third statement, carbon dioxide and nitrogen oxide are direct greenhouse gases. So third statement is also correct. Here, when coming to the fourth statement, methane is also a direct greenhouse gas. It is not indirect gas. Okay. So fourth statement is wrong. So only option B is correct. Now coming to the direct greenhouse gases, see here, carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxide and methane. These three are direct greenhouse gases. Okay, because they are produced directly. And coming to the indirect greenhouse gases, non-methane organic compounds, nitrogen monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide. These are the indirect greenhouse gases.